Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT P80 Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of CUBOT. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And tap on Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!